vlog, we talked about the millennial generation and the impact millennials are having on how office spaces are designed and managed. Today, we're talking about where they live. This generation now makes up to 25% of the population, and most of them are more interested in renting than in buying. They want to remain mobile, and they expect access to the best technology and amenities, whether they are at work or at home. Today, we're discussing how you can make sure your residential community is attractive to them. Work-life balance is more important to this millennial generation than any other. They don't see it as a benefit, they see it as a requirement. Millennials will often be working from home, and modern in-unit improvement will prove important. They'll need instant internet access and availability. They're also looking to love where they live. They may want concrete floors or large windows that allow for lots of natural light. Upgraded appliances, lighting, hardware, and finishes are the only way to attract millennial tenants. Give them the flexibility to make the home their own. Millennials want to live in apartment buildings and communities that feel like small towns or villages. Think college campus. They are in search of pools, a fitness center, and a business center where they can print and scan and do things that they may not be able to do in their home office. Walking trails, bike paths, and dog parks are an excellent way to help millennial residents feel the sense of community that they need in order to be happy where they live. The millennial generation is busy and mobile. They don't like to come into the management office unless they absolutely have to. Communication with management should be digital, electronic, and efficient. Be available by text or on social media. Make sure your website is attractive, mobile-friendly, and engaging for prospective tenants. Everything should be available online, from applications to rental payments to maintenance requests. Create an online community for the residents living in your building or development. Your tenants will want to communicate with each other in a network that feels digital and social. With millennials more willing to rent and less interested in buying, there's a large pool of current and prospective tenants waiting to move into desirable, attractive rental properties. That's good news for landlords and management companies, so make sure you're well positioned to compete for their business. If you need any help updating your apartment community or managing your multifamily property with millennials in mind, please don't hesitate to contact us at Latter&Blum Property Management.